Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2010 Can-Am SPYDER RS SE5 with 8,650 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and reverse. It's been upgraded with a Corbin seat, passenger backrest, windshield, and 3-inch handlebar riser adapters. We've replaced the rear tire. The SPYDER offers motorcycle thrills on the stability of 3 wheels, standing apart in a class of its own. Powered by a 998cc V-twin engine, the SPYDER puts 100 horsepower and 80 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It has a 29-inch seat height and a dry weight of 698 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.